Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Noel from Keybridge Hobby Network. Today I'm going to talk about how to clean my crawler. I'm going to show you guys how I personally clean my crawler after a long day on the field. So here we go. Okay, after we get the body off, we take the wheels off. So there you go. Now that we got the wheels off, we'll take it outside. These are the very few items that I use to clean my truck. I have this RC cleaner here. I got this from A-Main Hobbies. It's made by ProTech. Works really good. I got my used paintbrush here, and I got my tiny little toothbrush here. And besides that, I got my garden hose here. I have it set on mist, so that's as much water that I put on my truck when I clean it. So we're gonna start off with the tires. We're gonna soak these since we got the mud and stuff caked into it. We're gonna soak these guys up, loosen them up. So while we're cleaning the main chassis, these guys are soaked. Then we move on to the main chassis. I start off with a brush. So try to brush off as much dirt and stuff off of it. And now that's done, then we go ahead and soak it with just RC wash. Yeah, I try to keep my trucks clean before I put them away. This way I can kind of spot check for any damages or anything that needs maintenance. So while we have the chassis soaking in with a cleaner, we're gonna go ahead and clean the wheels and tires. See how the dirt and mud just kind of like come off. Now follow it with a light brush. So here we go, back to the chassis. We're gonna have to hit it with the mist of water a little bit, and we're gonna hit it with a large brush. And that's it. There's a little bit of sand still over here. Yeah, but that's it, everybody. So now I can just let this sit here for a minute to dry out, or I can use compressed air. I'm very comfortable cleaning my TRX4 this way because I know that the electronics are waterproof. The receiver box is watertight, waterproof. The servos, the motor, but depending on which model you have, you got to make sure those are waterproof or watertight before you proceed this way. But this is how I clean my TRX4. So that's it. I'll put it upside down so let it dry out for a minute. Let's put it right here in the sun. See the tires? See? Look good. Look at that. My recording device is fine. I got 10% power left, but to finish it off, I hit the chassis with this in moving parts with silicone spray. This is what I use. So I'll go up in here, hit right there, hit the moving areas. What the real bearing is. Links. Hit it again. Yep, I think that's it. Then the top of the vehicle, I use this. I do this outside because this right here, the smell is it smells good, but it lingers forever. Because it shines and it protects, so kind of protect the plastic parts. So there you go, everybody. Check this out.
Daddy, I can't see.
So there you go.
I'm not finished.
It's all cleaned. Wow, look at that. I don't think I ever had this clean. But yeah, I'm ready to put this guy in storage. Yeah, it's really nice and clean. Take the chassis off. Take that body off, I mean. There you go. So last thing I do, I just kind of power it up and just kind of like power it up and let the wheels spin. Double check and make sure everything's good. Yeah, just kind of get that silicone spray to work up in there, and that's it. Well, there you go, everyone. That's how I clean most of my RC cars. The only thing that you got to check before you get started with something like this is you got to make sure your electronics is waterproof and that your receiver box is container is waterproof, and that's it. There you have it. Until next time, see you.